Genetic engineering stands as a beacon of promise and potential in our world today. This scientific marvel, brimming with promise, has the potential to bring about revolutionary changes across various sectors of our society. In healthcare, genetic engineering can lead the way to groundbreaking medical advancements, offering new treatments and even cures for diseases once thought untreatable. In agriculture, it holds the key to creating more robust and nutritious crops, potentially solving world hunger issues. Environmentally, it offers us the ability to clean up our planet through bioremediation, while in research, it opens up new avenues of exploration, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Yet, genetic engineering is not just a concept for the future, it's here, now, actively shaping our present, from the food we eat to the medicine we take. But like any powerful tool, it comes with ethical considerations and requires robust regulatory frameworks. As we delve deeper, let's unravel the fascinating aspects of genetic engineering. Imagine a world where diseases are not feared but managed. Genetic engineering is making this a reality. Genetic engineering, a marvel of modern science, is revolutionizing the healthcare landscape. By manipulating our very genetic code, it opens up possibilities that once seemed like science fiction. One such advancement is personalized medicine. By understanding a person's unique genetic makeup, doctors can tailor treatments to the individual, increasing efficacy and reducing side effects. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, we're moving toward a future where medicine is as unique as the patients it serves. But the impact doesn't stop there. Genetic engineering is also paving the way for groundbreaking gene therapies. These treatments can correct or replace faulty genes, offering hope to those with inherited disorders. Imagine a time when conditions like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy are not lifelong battles, but curable ailments. Moreover, genetic engineering holds the promise to eradicate genetic disorders entirely. By editing the genes in embryos, scientists could prevent these conditions from being passed down to future generations. This could mean an end to the cycle of inherited illness, a new dawn in the fight against genetic disease. It's clear that genetic engineering is not just changing medicine, it's reinventing it. It's providing us with tools to understand, manage, and ultimately cure diseases at their most fundamental level. Indeed, genetic engineering is redefining healthcare as we know it. Feeding the world's growing population is a challenge. Genetic engineering offers a solution. It's a tool that's revolutionizing the way we cultivate our food, providing us with the ability to create crops that are hardier, more plentiful, and more nutritious. Consider, for instance, the creation of drought-resistant crops. Through genetic manipulation, scientists can instill in crops the ability to survive in arid conditions, thereby expanding the areas where we can grow food. In a similar vein, disease-resistant crops are also a product of genetic engineering. These crops are fortified against common plant diseases, leading to healthier harvests and reduced reliance on chemical pesticides. And then, there's the development of high-yielding crops. Genetic engineering can increase a plant's productivity, enabling us to grow more food on less land. With genetic engineering, we are not just growing crops, we are shaping the future of agriculture. Pharmaceuticals have always been a complex arena. Genetic engineering simplifies it. In the realm of drug production, genetic engineering plays a pivotal role. With the ability to manipulate the genetic makeup of organisms, we can produce more effective and targeted medicines. Consider insulin, a life-saving drug for diabetics. Earlier, it was extracted from the pancreas of pigs and cows, a process that was both costly and inefficient. Now, through genetic engineering, we're able to insert human insulin genes into bacteria, turning them into tiny insulin factories. Or look at vaccines. Traditional methods often involve the use of weakened or killed viruses, which carry a risk of causing the disease they're supposed to prevent. With genetic engineering, we can create vaccines that contain only a harmless piece of the virus, eliminating the risk while still triggering an immune response. The pharmaceutical industry, empowered by genetic engineering, is set to change the face of medicine. This is just the beginning of a new era in drug production and disease treatment. Our environment is calling for help. Genetic engineering is answering. These words couldn't ring truer when we discuss the marvel that is bioremediation. It's a testament to the ingenuity of science, where genetic engineering is used to clean up environmental pollutants. In essence, bioremediation is the process of using living organisms, often bacteria and fungi, to neutralize or eliminate harmful substances in the environment. It's a natural waste management technique that has been supercharged by genetic engineering. Researchers have been successful in genetically modifying organisms to consume and break down pollutants at a much faster rate than their natural counterparts. From oil spills to radioactive waste, these genetically engineered superheroes are tackling some of the most pressing environmental challenges. But it doesn't stop there. The potential applications of bioremediation are vast and still being discovered. Imagine a world where waste is no longer a problem, but a resource. Through genetic engineering, we are not just saving the environment, we are ensuring our survival. The quest for knowledge is endless. Genetic engineering is a powerful tool in this journey. The pursuit of understanding at its most fundamental level often leads us to the microscopic world of genes. Genetic engineering, an incredible tool in the arsenal of modern science, enables us to delve deeper into the mysteries of life. In basic research, genetic engineering is used to understand the functions of different genes. Imagine each gene as a unique piece of a grand puzzle. By manipulating these pieces, we can observe changes, derive meanings, and grasp the bigger picture. It's like a complex game of cause and effect, where tweaking one element can lead to a cascade of outcomes. Genetic engineering allows us to create models for diseases, study genetic interactions, and even explore evolutionary biology. It's like having a backstage pass to the grand theater of life, where we can witness and understand the drama of existence unfolding at a genetic level. Genetic engineering is paving the path for breakthrough discoveries. Every powerful tool comes with responsibility. Genetic engineering is no exception. As we delve into the world of reshaping life's blueprint, we must acknowledge the ethical and societal considerations that loom large. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for misuse. As the power to alter DNA becomes more accessible, we must ensure that it's not exploited for harmful purposes. Safeguards and stringent regulations are crucial to prevent the creation of destructive organisms or the use of this technology in acts of bioterrorism. Moreover, the question of who gets access to the benefits of genetic engineering is a pressing one. Will these advancements be reserved for the privileged few, or will we strive for an equitable distribution of its rewards? The risk of creating a societal divide based on genetic modification is real and must be addressed. Finally, we must consider the implications on natural biodiversity. The introduction of genetically modified organisms into the environment could have unforeseen effects on ecosystems. While these organisms might solve immediate issues, they might also disrupt the delicate balance of nature, leading to potentially catastrophic consequences. These concerns do not negate the promise of genetic engineering. Rather, they highlight the need for responsible and thoughtful application of this technology. We must balance the pursuit of progress with the preservation of our ethical values and the natural world. While genetic engineering holds immense promise, its ethical and societal implications demand our attention. Regulation is the lighthouse guiding the ship of genetic engineering. Indeed, without a robust regulatory framework, the vast power of genetic engineering could be misused or cause unforeseen consequences. These frameworks are the safeguards, ensuring that this technology is applied safely and ethically. They set the standards and guidelines for research and development, application, and distribution of genetically engineered products. From the lab bench to the market, every step is meticulously overseen to minimize risk and maximize benefits. Regulations ensure that all genetic engineering practices follow a common set of principles. They mandate rigorous testing and peer review, validating the safety and efficacy of genetically engineered products before they reach consumers. Moreover, these frameworks provide the necessary checks and balances, promoting transparency, accountability, and ethical conduct. They also facilitate public understanding and acceptance of genetic engineering, fostering a healthy dialogue between science and society. Regulatory frameworks ensure that the power of genetic engineering is harnessed responsibly. Indeed, they are our compass in navigating the exciting yet complex world of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering, a tool, a promise, a responsibility. This journey we've embarked on has allowed us to explore the vast landscape of genetic engineering, from enhancing healthcare and improving crops, to creating new drugs, solving environmental issues, and advancing basic research. We've delved into the ethical and societal considerations and navigated the regulatory frameworks that guide this revolutionary field. The potential of genetic engineering in transforming our world is limitless. It's a tool that can rewrite the course of diseases, a promise of a healthier and sustainable future. However, it's also a responsibility. We must remember to use it wisely, ethically, and for the betterment of all. The road ahead is filled with challenges and opportunities. As we continue to unlock the secrets of our genes, we are also shaping the blueprint of our future. The future with genetic engineering is a future of immense possibilities, and we are only just beginning to explore its potential.